I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the area. Paint lids can pop or splatter. Once you're wearing gloves and goggles, tap the rim gently with a wooden stick, 3 to 6 light taps, to break the vacuum seal without bending the lid. Then apply mild heat. A hair dryer or warm water for 30 to 60 seconds will expand the metal or plastic slightly, making the lid easier to pry. Make sure to avoid excessive heat. You want gentle expansion, not warping or burns. You'll now pry the lid gently, and the why matters. Even pressure avoids bending and makes resealing possible. Start with a flat screwdriver or a paint key and insert it under the lip at a single point. Pry up about 1/4 inch, then move clockwise a small distance, about 1/2 inch, and repeat. By working in small increments around the circumference, you lift the lid evenly. Make sure to protect the rim with a rag or thin wood block, so your tool doesn't dent the can while you rotate. You finish by lifting the lid straight up once it's uniformly loosened. Twisting can shear the seal or spill paint. After removal, wipe the rim and the underside of the lid clean of dried paint so you can reseal the can tightly. This preserves the paint. If the lid remains stuck, apply a small drop of penetrating oil around the seam and wait 10 to 15 minutes, then repeat the gentle prying process. Make sure to clean oil off before resealing to avoid contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.